Stop wasting money. These budget bikes run 400.000 miles easily. Welcome back to Throttle Tribe. Today we're checking out budget bikes that can easily hit 400,000 miles and keep going. Number 7. Yamaha V-Star 650. The Yamaha V-Star 650 is the kind of budget cruiser that makes you seriously question why anyone drops big money on chrome and noise. This bike just works reliably, affordably, and for jaw-dropping distances. We're talking up to 400,000 miles without the drama. With used models typically priced between $3,000 and $4,000, it won't punch your wallet in the face. Yet, it delivers that classic cruiser vibe, low-slung, steel-framed, with just enough soul to carry you cross-country or down to the local diner for waffles. Under the tank is a 649cc air-cooled V-twin engine, old-school simple, and that's exactly what you want if your goal is to ride forever. No fancy electronics to fry your brain or your bank account. The maintenance is incredibly DIY-friendly, valve adjustments are straightforward, and you won't need a rocket science degree or a second mortgage to keep it running. Owners have clocked 200,000 plus miles on stock engines, swearing by the V-Star's bulletproof reliability like it's a belief system. And yes, it comes with a shaft drive, meaning no chains to oil and less maintenance hassle. Parts? Cheap and everywhere. Oil changes? Won't cost more than a couple of decent burgers. Insurance? Low. Overall, the Yamaha V-Star 650 proves you don't need a $15,000 touring behemoth to chase the horizon. All you need is a solid bike, a good wrench, and the guts to trust a machine that's outlived more sport bikes than it can count. Number 6. Kawasaki Vulcan 900. The Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is like that dependable coworker who shows up early, never complains, and somehow manages to look effortlessly cool while doing it. This bike isn't just affordable, it's absurdly capable of going the distance. Riders across the US have racked up over 300,000 to 400,000 miles on these machines without ever needing engine replacements or therapy sessions. You can snag a well-maintained used Vulcan 900 for around $4,000 to $5,000, and it'll still have plenty of life left in those pistons. What makes the Vulcan 900 a true marathon champ is its liquid-cooled V-twin engine, smooth, efficient, and easy to maintain. It doesn't overheat, doesn't demand constant attention, and just glides through the miles. It feels larger and more substantial than a 650cc bike, but without the fuel-guzzling drama of a heavyweight cruiser. As for fuel economy, expect to get somewhere in the low to mid-40s mpg, meaning more open road and less small talk at gas stations. The belt drive system is another major win. Quieter, cleaner, and far less maintenance-intensive than a chain. Comfort-wise, this bike is built for long hauls. A wide, cushy seat, relaxed riding posture, and decent wind protection, especially if you add an aftermarket windshield, make it cruiser life without the chiropractor bills. It's a true mile eater wrapped in classic, timeless styling. In short, the Kawasaki Vulcan 900 doesn't need hype. It's a workhorse that delivers. For just a few grand, you're getting a long-haul companion that's shockingly good at playing the long game, ready to go coast to coast and then some. Before we dive into the next one, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more unbeatable motorcycle deals. Number 5. Honda Nighthawk 750. The Honda Nighthawk 750 is the motorcycle equivalent of that one uncle who never ages, never breaks down, and always knows how to fix your leaky sink. Built with Honda's signature no-nonsense engineering, this bike is a poster child for low-maintenance longevity. With a price tag often under $4,000 for clean used models, it's one of the most affordable tickets to 400,000 miles of pure mechanical zen. At its heart lies Honda's legendary inline-4 engine, smooth, bulletproof, and borderline immortal. This isn't some fragile, high-strung sport bike engine. This thing just keeps chugging along, decade after decade, like it's trying to outlive the planet. It doesn't leak, doesn't burn oil, and if you just change the fluids and check the valves every now and then, it'll probably end up being passed down to your grandkids. There's no fuel injection here, just a set of simple, old-school carburetors, and that's a plus. Fewer sensors, no ECU tantrums, just good old-fashioned reliability. Maintenance costs, laughably low. Oil the chain, replace the tires, and repeat. Parts are still widely available, and you won't need a treasure map or a dealership's blessing to find them. Overall, the Honda Nighthawk 750 is one of those rare machines that delivers serious mileage without making a scene. It doesn't brag, it doesn't flex, it just works. And if you think this bike is impressive, just wait until you see what's coming up next. Number 4. Suzuki TU250X. The Suzuki TU250X is living proof that small displacement doesn't mean small potential. It's lightweight, beginner-friendly, and will outlast not only your assumptions, but probably your car too. Riders have documented these reliable little singles racking up over 200,000 miles without so much as a whimper. With obsessive care, they can flirt with 400,000 miles. A feat that few motorcycles in any class can claim. All that durability comes wrapped in a charming retro-styled package, reminiscent of classic UJMs, and you can often find one on the used market for just $2,000 to $3,000. That's pocket change for a bike with this much grit. Under the tank, it features a fuel-injected, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that's delightfully simple: 1 cylinder, 2 valves, 0 drama. Think of it like a sewing machine that cruises at 60 miles per hour and sips fuel like it's prepping for the apocalypse. Sure, it's not built for high-speed freeway battles, but for daily commuting, weekend cruises, and spontaneous, let's just ride because we can adventures, it's perfect. Maintenance, practically non-existent. Valve checks are a breeze, oil changes take just a few minutes. The TU250X is the kind of motorcycle you can wrench on in your garage without cursing or Googling, "Why does my engine sound like a blender?" In the end, the Suzuki TU250X is a budget warrior. It doesn't pretend to be fast, but it absolutely excels at being forever. If you're looking for a charming little machine that goes the distance on pennies, this is the bike you marry, not date. Number 3. Kawasaki Versys 650. The Kawasaki Versys 650 is what happens when a commuter bike and an adventure bike fall in love and have an overachiever. It's not just versatile, it's absurdly capable. More importantly, it's one of the few budget-friendly bikes that laughs in the face of mileage limits. Riders have pushed these machines past 300,000 miles with nothing more than basic maintenance. And if you treat it right, 400,000 miles isn't a fantasy, it's a realistic goal. Used models typiccc hover around $4,000 to $5,000, making the Versys an absolute bargain for what it offers. Its liquid-cooled 649cc parallel twin engine is a gem, smooth, fuel-efficient, and tougher than rush-hour traffic. Kawasaki didn't over-engineer it, and that's the genius. It runs forever, starts every time, and keeps its cool whether you're lane-splitting through downtown chaos or carving up mountain switchbacks. What really sets the Versys apart is how little it asks from you. Valve inspection intervals are generous, chain maintenance is a breeze, and major issues? Almost unheard of. You can ride it every single day, all year round, across just about any terrain short of quicksand, and it'll just shrug and ask for more. It's also surprisingly comfortable. The upright seating, well-tuned long travel suspension, and solid wind protection make long rides a pleasure rather than a punishment. You won't feel like a human sail every time you hit the highway. The Kawasaki Versys 650 isn't flashy, but it's fiercely loyal. It's a blue-collar machine with white-collar brains, efficient, capable, and annoyingly hard to kill. If you're looking for a bike that keeps going long after your patience runs out, this is the one. Loving this bike? Hold on tight, the next one will blow you away. Number 2. Honda Shadow 750. The Honda Shadow 750 is the kind of cruiser that doesn't scream for attention, but ends up outliving everything else in the garage. It's old-school reliable, built like a tank, and smoother than your uncle's pickup lines at a backyard barbecue. You can often find a solid used one for around $3,000 to $4,000, which is basically highway robbery for a bike that can coast well past the 300,000 mile mark. And yes, with regular oil changes and valve checks, it can flirt with 400,000 miles. Its liquid-cooled V-twin engine is mellow and dependable, which is exactly why it's a mileage monster. It's not tuned for drama, it's tuned for consistency. One of the biggest bonuses, shaft drive. That means no chain maintenance, no sprocket replacements, just ride and repeat. Fuel economy usually hovers in the mid-40s mpg, so you're looking at long, relaxed rides without constantly hunting for a gas station or refinancing your life. The ergonomics are spot on too, low seat height, super comfortable, and it won't beat up your back on those all-day cruises. Stylistically, it nails the classic cruiser look without demanding a classic cruiser budget. And when something does wear out, which won't be often, parts are everywhere and ridiculously cheap. Seriously, you can find replacement mirrors for less than a fancy sandwich. Overall, the Honda Shadow 750 is about as dependable as gravity. It won't win drag races or steal hearts at bike night, but it'll still be running strong long after flashier bikes have become garage decorations. If you're looking for a chill, no-fuss cruiser that refuses to quit, this is your forever ride. And if this bike caught your eye, wait until you see what's next on the list. Number 1. Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 is the budget sport bike that defied expectations and then just kept going. It's lightweight, nimble, and almost too much fun for something you can pick up used for around $3,000 to $4,000. But here's the real kicker. Riders have logged over 300,000 to 400,000 miles on these machines with nothing more than routine oil changes, valve checks, and a bit of mechanical respect. That's commuter-level reliability combined with weekend thrill levels of fun baked in. The secret sauce? A liquid-cooled V-twin engine that's punchy without being dramatic and durable without being boring. It delivers power in a way that makes you grin without constantly glancing at your speedometer like it's your probation officer. And honestly, it's practically unkillable. The engine design is straightforward. Parts are everywhere. Maintenance? It doesn't require a trust fund or a degree in dark magic. Fuel economy hovers around 50 miles per gallon, and the riding ergonomics hit that sweet spot between sporty aggression and, I can still walk after this ride. This bike is the definition of versatility. It's a practical daily rider that can moonlight as a canyon carver or a weekend warrior. Chain maintenance is basic, aftermarket support is a buffet, and everything just works. Overall, the Suzuki SV650 is the everyman's performance bike, a machine that quietly outperforms pricier competitors over time. It's not flashy, it's not trying to scare you, it's just trying to run forever, and spoiler alert, it probably will. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. These are the budget bikes that can easily run 400,000 miles. Did we miss a bike that deserves a spot on this list? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more awesome motorcycle content, and as always, ride safe. See you in the next one.